Hi, many of our viewers have been asking what's the main difference between a trigger filter and a flow filter and how to take advantage of them. They both have different use cases and should be used in tandem so you get a better result on your flows. By the end of this video, hopefully you will get to learn on how to take full advantage of them both. Let's continue to the video. The difference between a trigger filter and a flow filter is that the trigger filter is only checked at the moment it happens and only cares about this specific event. So for someone to start a flow with only a trigger filter, in this case, they will enter this flow if they start a checkout and the value in that cart is at most $100. If it's above that, they will enter this flow, and it doesn't matter what they do after they enter this flow, they only need to meet this condition once. And as the trigger filter only cares about this event, each trigger filter is different for each specific metric. In the abandoned cart, we can discriminate by what discount code did they use, how many items were in the cart. You can set a specific flow filter for abandoned carts with 2 or less items in the cart, for example. Or you can set an abandoned cart flow with specific items in the cart. What was the specific item they had in the cart of if they didn't have this item in the cart? The source name, if they arrive by web, by email, that kind of sources. Total discounts is the specific amount of a discount, if they used any, and the value of the abandoned cart. You take into consideration the specific value or a range of values of this specific event and abandoned cart. And again, a trigger filter talks about only this specific event and only needs to be met once for the subscriber to enter this flow. And about flow filters, these conditions are permanent for the duration of the flow. Like the first one, the condition is that the client has not placed any order since the beginning, since starting this flow. So when they enter this flow, if they have not placed an order, they will continue with the flow. But the moment they place an order, they will no longer meet this flow filter and they will exit this flow. So they must meet these conditions at any times during the duration of the flow. And you can set flow filters based on any past event the subscriber may have had, like visiting a specific website, like number of placed orders in the past, like number of viewed items in the past. Maybe you want to only trigger this if they have seen at least 3 items in the store. Yes, a flow filter is a condition they must meet the moment they enter the flow and continue to meet for as long they are within this flow.